On the next Quilt Show, stop in the name of art and pull up a chair and get a front row seat on how to make it.
Meet Wisconsin's fiber artist and teacher, Lisa Binkley, and see how she's bringing the outdoors into her studio and creating exciting botanical prints.
And to add beauty to her prints, Lisa loves to embellish her fabric with beading, and lots of it. She teaches you a few of her most favorite techniques.
Then, Ricky turned 70 this year and is reflecting on the journey that brought him to be the artist he is today. You will see it was not a straight path, but there was plenty of serendipity that is undeniable.
Join us and learn something new or reflect on the moments that have shaped our journeys.
We're glad to have you along for the ride at thequiltshow.com.